Hello everyone, and welcome to Diamond Painting Reviews by Jene. Today's video we're going to be going over the post review on this beautiful painting that came from Staroar. This is called Horse Hearts, and it is a full rhinestone drill. I purchased this on November 23rd. I received the painting on December 9th. I started working on the painting on January 2nd, and I completed on January 11th. This is a smaller painting. This is a 30 by 30, and that's the drill area. One thing I'm going to point out about Staroar that I really like is the way they have their canvas set up. Those of you that have not done a Staroar painting, you've got your legend on this side. You've got a small thumbnail on the bottom here corner. It also goes over your drill area size as well as your fabric size. And right here, I'm just going to bring this up a little bit so you can see that. This here is your inventory list. So it gives you what you need for this painting. I really do like the quality of their canvas as well as their drills. I had very little garbage doing this painting. The only one thing that I found was a possible con for this painting was that the drills kind of slipped around a little bit, but other than that, the drills were amazing. The painting was fun to do, and I really love how this sparkles and shines. So again, this painting comes from Staroar. It is a 30 by 30 full crystal rhinestone drill, and I would highly recommend this if you're looking for something that is quick and small yet very pretty. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please let me know by hitting that thumbs up button, and if you didn't like the video, totally understand, but if you can go down to the comments below and let me know what you didn't like about the video, that way it helps me improve my videos in the future. Also, if you're new to the channel, a big howdy and welcome. If you like what you see and you like what you heard, I hope you'll consider subscribing to the channel. But please don't forget to hit the bell that's right next to that subscribe button. That bell will let you know when I've uploaded my next video. So by saying that, everyone, if it is morning for you, have a very pleasant morning. If it's afternoon for you, have an excellent rest of your afternoon. And if it's evening for you, have a very relaxing evening. Again, my name's Jene. Thank you for joining me today on the review. We'll talk again real soon. Take care, everyone. Bye.